In iPhone 14 Pro series, there is a new feature called Dynamic Island. In this video, we'll be telling about how to set Dynamic Island like notification in your Android smartphone. For this, first what we need to do is we need to install one application. App name is Edge Mask. App link is given in the description. You can download it from there. Anyways, after installing this application, open this application. When you are opening this application for the first time, you will reach a page like this. Here by default it is set to battery saver. You need to change and you need to set it as no restrictions, otherwise this will not work. Anyways, above you can see one option, app that can appear on top. Click on that option. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this, display over other apps. From this, find that Edge application and select that application. After selecting Edge Mask application, here you can see allow display over other apps. Turn this on. After that, go back. Again, what you need to do is click on this notification access option. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. From here, find this Edge Mask application and select that application. When you are selecting, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see allow notification access option. You need to turn this on. When you are turning this on, you can see one warning message. Anyways, tick this and after that down here you can see OK button. Click on OK. After that, again go back. After that, here you can see accessibility option. Click on this accessibility. After that, click on this downloaded apps. When you are clicking on that, here you can see Edge Mask. Click on this Edge Mask. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. After that, here you can see use Edge Mask. Turn this on. When you are turning that on, you can see a warning message. Tick this box and after that, down here you can see OK button. Click on OK. After that, again go back. And here you can see message option. Click on this message and when you are clicking on that, some ads will come. Turn that ads off. Here by default it is set to Dynamic Island style. Turn this off and you need to turn on this Samsung message style. Next to that you can see customization option. Click on this customization option. By default this background color is set to white. You need to change that to black. And after that change this message color to white. In iPhone 14 Pro series it is like that. And when you are scrolling down, you can see margin option. Turn this margin options on and after that here you can see an option like this. Here you need to adjust this margin. If you want this notification above, you can decrease this and if you want little down, you can increase it. Anyways, adjust this according to your preference. For example, I am keeping these settings here. And if you want to increase size, you can do that also. Anyways, after that I am going back and again go to first page. In first page you can see one option, block the system heads up. Turn this on. After that down here you can see one more option, sound duplicate prevent. Turn on this sound duplicate prevent also. Now everything is set. Now I am going out of this application. Now I am sending one message to this phone from another phone. When I am sending that message, you can see notification here like Dynamic Island. When you are clicking on that message, you will reach that app. It's not just dummy notification. When you are clicking, you will reach that application. Anyways, you can set Dynamic Island like notification in your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.